devotions every day. And at the same time, after an announcement and discussion together. Dati kasi we planned also to move to another country. So, and then we decided na i-homeschool muna sila. And as I mentioned earlier, galing din ako sa public school, di ba, as a teacher. So, I felt na may mga kailangang i-improve or baguhin. Kasi even nga yung mga telephone natin, di ba, dati wired pa. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng cellphone, tapos nag-smartphone. So, bakit yung education until now, classroom? So, there's innovation na needed sa way din ng pag-learn ng mga bata. So, we saw that and we really research kung ano bang curriculum. Kasi marami namang pwede, especially homeschooling. Maraming available in the market. Pero, we prayed about it. We really want yung character nila to be developed also. Kasi we know that success, di ba? Yung success, it will follow kapag yung bata is good attitude.
Character development.
Yes, good attitude with discipline and nandun yung willingness to learn. Teachable. Yan. So every year, as I mentioned, we have student convention. So student convention, ang goal nun is to really see and for the students to discover kung ano yung mga giftings nila. Kasi we don't want them to grow up na i-compare nila yung sarili nila, oh, hindi ako magaling sa math, I'm not smart. Yan. So we want them to celebrate yung uniqueness nila and don't compare yung sarili nila sa iba. So itong student convention, we have areas for arts, music, platform, academics, and sports. So yung iba, may mga estudyanteng sobrang galing sa basketball, some naman hindi masyadong magaling sa math, pero magaling sa music. So there's nothing wrong with that, di ba?
Hi, we are from Perpetual Hope International Academy, Singapore.
And we are located at 2 Tampines Central 6, Tampines Point Building, near Tampines MRT.
And you can contact us at inquiries@perpetualhopeia.com or you can call 9009-3884.
Also look for us on social media at Facebook as Perpetual Hope International Academy and on Instagram at Perpetual Hope IA.
See you!
See you.